Welcome back. I'm Greg with our Oklahoma Home. Today to talk with you a little bit about ceramic tile. If you've ever tried to cut out a corner in ceramic tile, you know that it's kind of tough to get that corner nice and clean. But I'll show you a trick that makes it clean every time. This same trick works for all different kinds of tile. I've even used it on brick. I've used it with ceramic tile, porcelain tile, and in this case, I found some stone tile that we used for a brick project that we've done earlier. And you'll notice when I just make those straight cuts, trying to get a clean corner is almost impossible because of how round the blade is. You can see where the blade didn't go all the way through the tile, and even though it snapped clean, it left that little corner a little bit rough. To fix that, all you do is you run the tile through, just lift slightly on the front of the tile. And you may think, well, that's a little bit dangerous. There's different safety protocols with a wet saw than there would be with, for example, a wood cutting blade. You would never get your fingers this close to a wood cutting blade. But by lifting slightly, it allows the blade to go all the way through the tile and gives you that nice, crisp corner every single time. And this trick works for all sorts of different styles of cuts, even when you've got to notch out pieces. To cut this tile, all we'll do is we'll make all the straight cuts that we can, treating it as if it were just a corner cut. And then as we get to the notched portion, we're just going to lift slightly. In fact, you'll notice I'm not even moving the sled, just lifting slightly and cleaning out the back. Cutting tile with a wet saw is much easier than people think. It just takes a little bit of time, a little bit of practice, and more than anything, it takes getting comfortable with the tile and with the wet saw. So if you have any scrap pieces, it is worth your time to just go practice a little bit. Practice different cuts. Even try doing round cuts by nibbling away with the wet saw. And again, just lifting that front makes all the difference. As always, thanks for watching, and hit like and subscribe.